Did somebody say rebates? Everyone in Canton, Massachusetts is talking about mass save rebates and incentives. Green Energy Mechanical can help. Canton, Massachusetts homeowners who make smart energy choices with a heat pump can take advantage of huge savings. Is your heating and cooling equipment more than 10 years old? It may be time for a high-efficiency replacement to make your home more comfortable, efficient, and reduce your energy bills. Are you looking to supplement your existing heat system with a Ductless Mini Split? You could qualify for rebates. Want even greater incentives? Consider a whole house heat pump solution to gain maximum financial incentives. The Ductless Mini Split heat pump is the modern way to heat and cool your home. Mitsubishi offers a full range of mini split solutions for one room, one area, or the whole house. But don't wait, because the clock is ticking on rebates. And remember, your equipment must be installed by an approved contractor. There's none better than Green Energy Mechanical. They're a Canton, Massachusetts-based Mitsubishi Elite Diamond contractor, recognized nationally as a Ductless All-Star and a Mass Save partner. Call 781-531-8608 today.